Hey guys, I am back with a totally unexpected purchase, but it was an item on my wish list. I had just been waiting and waiting for one to come out that I knew was the one. This bag comes out in different colors and hardwares and sizes, and it's been out for a while, and I just never found one that spoke to me until yesterday. We were in Philly for the weekend, and we went to King of Prussia Mall. I've never been there, and I went to Louis Vuitton and I saw this bag and immediately, you guys ever see a bag and immediately go, oh shit? Because like, I don't have it in the budget. I wasn't going to buy a bag this year. And immediately you're like, oh no, I have to redo my budget. Well, that's what happened to me yesterday. And I already took it out of the bag. This is the bag that it comes in. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know, at this point, well, I haven't done a bag collection in a really long time, but my only Louis Vuitton bag that I have is my Neverfull Spring in the City bag, which I love. I use it for travel all the time. And every single time I travel, somebody compliments me on it. So this is only my second Louis Vuitton bag in my collection now. I have sold other bags throughout the years. And the common denominator, I think, is because they all had gold hardware. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I love silver hardware, particularly black with silver hardware. Hint. So yes, my Neverfull does have gold hardware, but it's so gorgeous. I overlook that. So anyways, long story short, this is my second Louis Vuitton bag that I own. My sunlight is shining through. I'm just going to go over here. And I know I said it before, but I will say I am on a total bag ban. You guys will not be seeing bag reveals from me for the rest of the year. Maybe small SLGs, things like that, but this is it. I've got to redo my finances after this, but this is it. One thing I noticed is that this is a special piece, by the way. This is limited edition, and on the website, it says it's sold out everywhere. It even said it was sold out at my store that I went to, and they had one. So if you guys are interested in this, call the stores, ask around, because the website said it sold out. One thing I noticed about this box, look at that. Isn't that cool? Now, like I said, I haven't bought a Louis Vuitton bag in a while. It is magnetic. I haven't bought a Louis Vuitton bag in a while, so I don't know if this is a special thing for this bag because it is a special bag or not. But here we go. Just comes like this. The paper is plain and just has like a flower embossed sticker on it. Oh, look at the dust bag. Okay. This is really cool. It looks really special. I mean, it is special, but I like that the packaging is special too. Look at this dust bag. It's a drawstring dust bag, really thick, really nice. Okay, so like I said, I have wanted one of these bags for years, but I never saw one that compelled me to purchase it because it is expensive, and really it's just too expensive. But anyways, okay, here it is to reveal my new Louis Vuitton Capucines mini, but it has the chain detail, the silver hardware. Look at it, guys. Oh my God. Do you see why I was breathless when I saw it? Look at the LVs. It's mother of pearl, and it's like swirls of mother and pearl. It's just so beautiful. And look at these chains. Look at the detail, like the silver balls, like the little flowers, the lock chain, and then you have this woven chain here. Oh my God, I just love it. I think it gives the bag an edginess that, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I love edgy bags. Then you have the bright silver here. Oh, this has protective stickers on it. I'll take those off after. You have the bright silver here. This does detach if you want to. Oh, this is the mini size. There's the feet. Do the feet say Louis Vuitton? Yes, they do. Now, this is the Louis Vuitton, I think it's pronounced Torian leather. If I didn't pronounce it correctly, please feel free to correct me in the comments below. But it's supposedly really durable, kind of soft, but still structured, and has a pebbled look. I've always loved pebbled leather. I don't know why. It just always seems more luxurious to me. So here's the flap. You open it up. You have the little logo here. And then this does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France in silver. And then here's the inside. So it does come with a adjustable crossbody strap, and I love this strap. It's so soft, it's comfortable, it's a really good width. It's not too skinny that it cuts into my clavicle, and it's not too wide that it slides off my shoulder. So this is just perfect. I have it on the longest setting right now for crossbody purposes. And then you have the silver hardware that obviously has like LV logos on it. So yeah, so here's the crossbody strap, and the inside looks like this. And here's the tag. I just love how it's like a special bag, and it comes with special packaging too. Here is the code. And then it comes with this tag here with the style number. It says Capucines Mini 125 Trilogy. M11908 is the style number if anybody's interested in it. I know these are hard to find. And then the inside has this silver leather card pocket with a little zipper pocket here. And it does appear to be big enough for credit cards and things like that. It is leather lined, fully leather lined. And then the inside is just black otherwise. And it's, yeah, it's all leather lined. It should be for the freaking price. And then you have the little like flap holder here that you can stick the flap in if you want. So this is it. You can either carry it like this with the flap fully in. If you want to cover your LVs, you can kind of carry it like that too. I mean, mine is not going to stay like that for now, but you know, if you could get it to stay like that, that's a really cute way too if you wanted to cover up your LVs. But I love top handles that look like trapezoids. They have feet. Let me show you what it looks like on me, and I want to add the straps. So you put the straps on these little silver hooks here. All right. Okay, so this is on the longest setting. I don't know what the measurements are. I'll have to get that back to you later. I just realized I'm wearing the same shirt I think I wore in a recent video. I got a ton of these shirts with the cutouts, so I don't keep track. This is it on the longest setting. Now, I am 5'3". This is a little too long for me. If I was going to wear it single strap like this, I would probably shorten it. But this is a perfect crossbody length for me, and I think it looks really nice on me crossbody. It's so comfortable. This strap is so comfortable. Yeah. And what I love about this bag is I feel like you can dress it down. Like I feel like it looks good with my outfit here, just a casual day. But obviously like it's a dressy bag. So again, I don't know the dimensions on this. I think it's 8.5. I don't know what the height is. It doesn't hold much, but I don't carry much, really. It holds my cell phone, which is important. Cell phone, a small wallet, keys, sunglasses. Those four things are necessity for me. Like if it holds sunglasses, I don't have, let me see. Oh, I have my Louis Vuitton sunglasses right here. I'll do a full review on this and what fits, you know, later down the road, but they actually fit really well in here. And I know, again, like I said, my phone, wallet, keys, essentials. So anyways, this is it. I'm obsessed with this. I cannot believe after all these years, I finally have a Capucines. I have wanted one of these bags, like I said, for so long, but they always come out in gold. Just not one that spoke to me. I know I said I wasn't going to get any more black bags, but for my one and only Capucines, I wanted it to be a bag, a color that will go with everything, that I can wear day to night, that no matter what outfit I'm wearing, it'll match. And for me, that's black. Anyways, again, I will do a full review and what fits in this bag down the road when I've used it. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. And I promise I'll do more videos in the future. Just probably not bag unboxings for a while. Thank you for watching. Take care.